many rounds did you get? Around the
Are those not hits? Those are just fires?
Right.
Okay, never mind.
That's what I'm doing. I'm shooting pretty right. Look at that. See, look at that. I'm always shooting to the right of it. Right on.
Really close.
And how do you, what do you choose? I mean, like, the options for choosing things. You're not doing it right now.
Maybe for like the scenarios and stuff?
Yeah.
For load practice, I don't want to mess with scenario. We're not load
I can't tell if this guy was falling or not.
No. Once this one
In a security patrol while on guard duty in the motor pool. Your general and special orders apply at all times.
Vehicles on this side, we check the vehicles on this side.
Nope, I see some.
Is that the jump shoot?
Our friend.
Oh.
Down the back. Behind.
It'd take a long time to die then.
Shut the hole. Who shot our guy? I think he is.
7 lethal hits. Yeah, just
What should have happened there?
should've shot him before.
Shot him, yeah. That guy that was standing between you and the enemy, he was kind of like a squad leader or something, right? Because he was kind of directing people around. And he was like right in your line of fire. What would you, I mean, would you have shot? Really? No, you yelled down.
Shot after he fell.
Yeah.
I shot him after he died.
Tell him to get down.
Yeah.
You tell him to duck,
down.
so I will tell him.
Can you see? He's behind you because he started firing. And he probably shot that guy in the back.
I didn't see the guy. I wasn't.
Yeah, he had an Magnum he pulled out. He shot the guy.
The guy reacted to the guy in the hospital.
Anyway, you guys fired 20 shots and only 7 landed.
Uh-oh.
That's not right.
That's okay.
Let me load a different one. I think it's good for me. Everybody else.
Well, the question is, were you the 13 that missed? You guys got it. You got 2 hours.
Fall asleep. Hey, one. Is this a shoot? Shoot. Who's in charge? Who's the team leader? He's in the bushes, but he's still shooting us.
What was supposed to happen?
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! We'll surrender!
Don't shoot! Surrender! Run!
Shoot.
Okay. What should happen?
When they see
Did they have a weapon?
No.
No.
So you just shot unarmed men, right?
Oh, I thought you
I didn't fire any shots.
What did he throw out the window? Did he throw something?
Yeah.
What was it? Anybody tell?
It looked like a grenade or something.
Looks like it was a bag.
Yeah, it looked like a bag.
I would have shot him behind me. In the hostile area.
Ooh, we won. Who said grenade?
I didn't.
We don't fire when the stream was paused. What were they doing? They were stealing weapons, right?
Yeah.
What was the correct action in that? In these type of scenarios, There really is no right or wrong. Okay? That's
Good
why
shoot, huh?
we do these types in the Army. You talk about them like when you're a leader. You say, okay, in this situation, maybe I shouldn't have fired. I should have, maybe tried to surround them. As soon as they threw that whatever that was out there, you had every right to defend yourself.
We did good, guys.
Yeah.
So we reacted well.